Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Amazon advertising for sponsored product keyword targeting, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Amazon advertising account for sponsored product keyword targeting, begin by logging into your Amazon advertising console. Navigate to the Settings tab located in the top menu. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Locate the User Permissions section within the Account Settings. Click on Add User to invite a new user if required. Enter the necessary details for the new user, including their email address. Choose the appropriate permissions based on the tasks they will. Save the changes to ensure the new user is authenticated. Next, navigate back to the main dashboard and click on Campaigns. Select the sponsor. Click on the Create Campaign button to initiate a new campaign. Fill in the required fields such as campaign name and daily budget. In the Targeting section, opt for Manual Targeting to access keyword targeting options. Proceed to define your keywords for the campaign. Use the Keyword Suggestion tool to identify relevant keywords for the product. Add chosen keywords to your campaign by selecting them and clicking Add. Set bids for each keyword based on your advertising strategy. Review your selections in campaign settings before submission. Once confirmed, click Launch Campaign to activate your sponsored product keyword targeting. Monitor your campaigns regularly to assess performance and make necessary adjustments. Utilizing reports from the Amazon Advertising Console can help in optimizing keyword targeting. Engage with the performance metrics to refine your approach and maximize visibility. Stay updated with Amazon advertising best practices to enhance your advertising strategy further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.